Hi everyone, Sylvia here from Sylvia's Marketing. Now guys, check out this product, Profit Prime. So guys, welcome to my Profit Prime review, and just to let you know, it is going live tomorrow and it was released by Mike McKay. So to put it briefly, this product will replace two things for you. It will replace Zoom and go to webinar. So it does a bunch of different things that I will be showing you in a second, but like on top of all the things that Zoom does for you, it can also run webinars for you, and it will also allow you to sell them, so actually make money. Cool. So as you can see, I have access to this area. I'll be showing you all about it, guys. So if that's something for you, stick with me, because I also have some amazing bonuses to give away to you. If you decide to buy this product via the link that I have attached down below my video. Now let's go to the exciting bit first, my bonuses, which have been given to me by my mentor John Armstrong, a top marketer, a big name in affiliate marketing, and his bonuses are always amazing, and these bonuses will complement Profit Prime very, very nicely, and they will help you get maximum results with this product. Okay, so on my bonus page, as you can see, you first have the demo, then you have the bonuses. So again, from John Armstrong, the first one is Access Boomerang Buddy. The second one is YouTube Super Traffic Hack. You will need traffic to make money, obviously, with Profit Prime as well, obviously, because you can sell via with Profit Prime, but you need traffic, yeah? So next one is also on traffic, 24K followers in 24 hours. Then we have 25 bonuses to use in your promos. So basically whatever you're promoting, in order to well, encourage your buyers to buy from you, it would be nice of you to offer them some bonuses, just like I am offering to you, right, if you buy this product via my link. So here's the bonuses that you can access and give away to your clients. And last one is access to all vendor bonuses, because Mike McKay is going to give you a bunch of different bonuses on top of just the front end, which is actually going at, let's check out quickly the prices. So on my bonus page you have all the prices, so $17, but remember guys, it's an early bird, the price will be going up. Now here you have all the upsells as well. Right, so well, one thing to bear in mind, this is like one-time payment, so you are saving yourself a lot of money on those monthly subscriptions with Zoom and GoToWebinar. A lot of money. It's a huge money saver, this product. Okay, let's see what the sales page says. Run unlimited webinars and video meetings at a low one-time price. Brand new Zoom Killer software lets you run unlimited done-for-you webinars in the cloud for free. In the cloud for free traffic and big commissions. So there's a, obviously you will have to get the traffic, you have to learn how to get the traffic, but this software will allow you to sell the webinars. You can store them there and you can make money with it in whatever niche. Okay, and here we have some of the some of the benefits, that come with this product. Okay, so we have so you can host unlimited video meetings, live conferences or webinars on our cloud infrastructure for a low one-time fee. Then you can create and stream jaw-dropping whiteboard videos. You can also, there's also unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption that protects your privacy and personal data. You can stream recorded videos if you don't want to be live yourself. Okay, cool. Then you can do video calls with friends, clients, business partners with zero lag and crisp quality. Like it. You can run live, simulated live or pre-recorded webinars, and then you have included done for you affiliate offers to promote. Actually, this is what I really like about it, and also you have built-in autoresponder for automated webinar reminders. Okay, so you're collecting your emails, you're building up your email list as well. Then you can send any link to any offer to all your attendees with one click. You can share any files between attendees while live. It's 100% newbie-friendly, no monthly fees. So again, pay once and use forever. It's a great time saver, that's for sure. You double your money back guarantee. 24/7 support from marketing gurus. Yeah, you have 30 days money back guarantee. Please do check out the rest of the sales page. You will have testimonials from like big marketers as well, like Art Flair. I believe he left his testimonial here as well somewhere. I've seen it, but please do check it out in your own time, guys. I'll be not wasting your time going through all of that. I want to show you the product. Let's see. I mean, well, what can I say about it? You know how to use Zoom, right? It's very much like Zoom, but then also like you can do the webinars and host them and store them and all of that, and you can sell them. Okay, so it's like a cool two-in-one software. Alright, so you have, the first one is just works like Skype or Zoom, so instant meeting, so you can start a meeting, join a meeting, and you have a meeting history here. Then you have the meetings, so you can schedule the meetings. You have the, past meetings, and you can plan your meetings as well. And then we have segments, so, okay, just give me 1 second. Alright, this one is super useful, so you can create like a list, you can store it all here, you can create like a list of all segments in like different niches and all of that. Then here you can store your contacts, and you also have obviously support, and first you have the training as well, so it will be explained to you how to go about this software, how to use it. Right, a sweet tool, again, very helpful, a huge money saver. It's a one-time payment and then use it forever. I mean, I guess it's a no-brainer. If you use Zoom and if you use go to webinar, if you're doing webinars, then why spend money on monthly basis if you can just use this software instead, right? I like it, it's cool. My bonuses, guys, well, I have shown you the product, so you know if you like it or not. Yeah, reminder, like, don't forget my amazing bonuses from Jonna Armstrong. They are yours if you collect this product via the link that I have attached down below my video. And the way you go about it is basically click on the link below my video, then you will end up here on this bonus page, and you smash this yellow button. This button is gonna take you to a sales page, and from there you make the purchase. After you bought the product, you will be sent an email with a receipt like that, which will redirect you to a platform called Warrior Plus. Okay, so from there, if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, just create one. It's super quick. And then the blue button stripe is my bonuses, so that's where they will be delivered to you instantly. And the green one is Profit Prime and all of the bonuses which the vendor has into it on top of just the front end. And again, all that I have shown you, the Profit Prime is for $17. Here you have all of the upsells, so more stuff like, well, more features like done for you stuff, reseller rights. It's here. It's on my bonus page, guys. Alright, ciao. I shall see you in my next video. If you like it, you know how to buy it. And thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.